Chasing jackpots made us know, big or small. Every real's a chance to fall. I stand tall, baby, that's gotta stop. Therapeutic Thursdays, mind on the mend.
Hello humans, I'm Baby Bets. Welcome to Therapeutic Thursday. Anything that might have bothered you this week, just leave it down below in the comments and just let it go. It's definitely not worth it. Everything gets better. Just give it time and this video. Got a pretty neat top 10 list. Let's go find the game. See you there. All right, humans, welcome to Therapeutic Thursday. As you saw in the intro, I am Baby Bets, and we're gonna try a little kind of different method. We're gonna start with a degenerator for a little bit, get through our top 10 list, which was really cool. The degenerator doesn't work. We might go to 3 to 5 method. We are on the Lightning Link 10-year storm. There's your progressives. And this is the Golden Archer, so this is the last one of the new 4 that I promised I would feature for you guys. And if 3 to 5 doesn't work, then maybe we'll bring it back around to my bagel bets method. And hopefully leave with a profit, you never know. We're definitely gonna leave with a really cool top 10 list. And to let you know what the top 10 list is today, top 10 Simpsons predictions that came true. Now in a video previously, I said I was gonna do this, and this list did not disappoint. I've read through it and it's super cool. So enough about that. Let's get started with the bets. And so obviously, you know, you need 6 of those. Guy on the real 5 is gonna be our wild. That may be our top symbol. Nope, it's not, 'cause probably would have given us a banner. But it did give us 925. And I don't know that, okay, so that's what you're gonna need for the free games right over there. Oh, I said I was gonna do the degenerator. What is wrong with me? I don't even remember what I say I'm gonna do. My apologies, guys. So that's not the top symbol, because we would have got it with just 2. Now that we screwed up everything I said I was gonna do, there we go. Got ourselves a line hit. And we'll do the degenerator on different levels. So that's not our top symbol either. Two more. So those guys aren't top symbol. What's our top symbol here, everybody? We're in search of our top symbol. All right, well, while we're searching for that, let me read you number 10. Number 10 prediction Simpsons made back in 2010. The episode is called Elementary School Musical. Milhouse bets on Holmstrom to win a Nobel Prize. Holmstrom actually won the Nobel Prize in economics in 2016, so 6 years later. And why it's impressive, it's extremely specific and an unlikely prediction, but the Simpsons got it right. So what do the Simpsons know that we don't? As you know, the Lightning Links, they've added that counter up there on the right. We're at 937. So that's our top symbol, Mr. Arrowman. Mr. Arrowman is the top symbol. You need 3 of those guys. Let's see if we can get one more. We cannot. All right, well, the line hit. So with that line hit, we're gonna go up a bet. Nothing there, so we're gonna go back down. And I'm gonna switch to 2-cent degenerator. See if 2 cents, switch the denom around, will bring us a bonus to real life. We've already got our lucky green tea. Go up on our degenerator. Nothing there. We need 3. Thought I would take my shots early and start at 5 cents. Looks like I should have started at 50 cents. But again, you never know. Nothing is guaranteed with these machines. Oh boy. I can't go to $5. I'm just a $100 bankroll. Especially when the line hits are not giving us our bet back.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's alright.
But what we can do is we can read you number 9 here. Number 9. Episode in 2010, Boy Meets Curl. Homer and Marge help the U.S. curling team win an Olympic gold.
USA! USA! Oops.
Team USA won the gold medal in curling in 2018, so 8 years later. Surprising because curling wasn't widely followed in the US and wasn't even a favorite. So why the Simpsons even wanted to do it is unbeknownst to me and unbeknownst to you. Bingo! Well, we did not bonus early. So since we did not bonus early, can we bonus often? That is the question. So far, we are not. Okay. We will be brave and start back at 5 cents. Oh man, that would have been nice, huh? Maybe we should do a degenerator, but only when we get our bet back. I don't know. Either the machine is hidden or the machine is not. There is not much we can do about it here, guys. We can only hope for the best. And we can also reach number 8. Number 8 was in episode 1993. A tiger attacks a magician duo, clearly based on Siegfried and Roy at the time. And 10 years later, in 2003, Roy Horn was seriously injured by a tiger during a live show in Vegas. The episode aired years before the real-life attack. How did the Simpsons know? How do they know? Do they know? Do they have some kind of crystal ball we are not aware of? Because if they do, we kind of want to ask if this machine's going to give us a bonus or not. Gives us 2 of those, quite a bit. Like I said, 2 of those, quite a bit. Can it give us 3? No. It cannot. Oh, come on. 2 again? Let's use a little trick I like to do where I pretend I'm leaving and I come in as a new player. Just takes a few seconds of your time, guys. Thought it was going to trick the machine there for us. It absolutely did not.
For our weekly $10,000 slot tournament, action takes place from 10
Finally, a line hit.
Prizes range from $50 all the way up to $3,000 in free play. More details on the Homes app or Bingo!
Another line hit there for us. As we are hanging in there, clinging on to life. Oh, I should have gone up on the bet. Forgot I was doing the degenerator. All right, let's go back to 2 cents. Oh, as I kicked the camera. Probably deserved it. Come on, 3 more. All right, let's read you guys number 7. Number 7 is from 1994, autocorrect fails.
Off. Take a memo on your Newton. Beat up Martin. Bah!
Device changes when someone types into it unintended words. Basically, autocorrect chaos happens in 1994 on The Simpsons. Modern smartphones consistently create similar mishaps through autocorrect, which we're all victims of. So everyone has experienced a text gone wrong. Well, The Simpsons did it years before it even was a thing. So again, how did they know? Why did they know? Chew you. All right, that is a line hit. That is a nothing burger. That is a line hit. Tens did not get all the way across, unfortunately. Five of a kind archers. Okay. So that did give us $8 back. Do we switch to a 3 to 5 method? I think at these levels it is a good idea to manage the bet size. We are getting the line hits here on $2 though, or 2 cents, not $2. 2 cents. All right, 4 more. Okay, number 6. Elon Musk's space ambitions. In 2015, there was an episode called The Musk Who Fell to Earth.
Oh my god. Brace yourselves, family. We're about to meet a being with intelligence far beyond ours. Boy, give me my baseball bat.
Hello, I'm Elon Musk.
Die!
Elon Musk running futuristic space projects. Nowadays, SpaceX Musk has launched reusable rockets and advanced private space travel. So that one's kind of close quarters because I know around 2020 it became very well known. Let's go back to 5 cents. The SpaceX adventures. Two more. Looking for our first bonus here, guys. We're almost 15 minutes in. We still have not received it. But that is how slots go sometimes, everybody. I think I'm going to stay on this bet level. $2.50, $17 back. Kind of switch it into a 3 to 5 method since we're getting the kickbacks here for our bet. And hopes that there is a bonus right around the corner. It is keeping us in it here for the meanwhile. Three of him. No. All right, guys. Number 5, topping into our top 5, the Osaka flu. In 1993 Marge and Chains episode, a virus spreads from Japan via shipped projects, causing widespread panic.
The dreaded Osaka flu has hit Springfield with over 300 cases now reported.
2020, so that's 17 years later, COVID-19 happened, mirrored the exact same concept, although not the exact origin. So they weren't 100% accurate on it. But hey, nobody's perfect. I know I'm not. Dane tells me with my editing all the time. But I appreciate him for that. Can we get 3 of those? 2 again. So many 2s. So little time. All right. I think I'm going to pop back in to our 2 cents. And we've got 4 left on the list, everybody. Hoping the Golden Archers here will at least show us a bonus, if not multiple bonuses. We have been kind. We have been patient. We have read off the top 10 list. Three. All right, well, let's read you number 4. Number 4, everybody. Faulty voting machines. In 2008, Treehouse of Horror, Homer tries to vote for a candidate, but the machine switches his vote.
Hey, I only meant one of those votes for McCain. This machine is rigged. Maybe Ohio, but not in America.
As we know, we're having all sorts of problems in the U.S. right now, so The Simpsons yet again predicted that. Two again. Mr. Archer. Where is your bonus? Might have to stay at this level unless we can pull out a bonus. Just for the sake of the video. And or our top 10 list here. Boy, this game is being greedy. Number 3, everybody. Disney buys 20th Century Fox.
Therapeutic Thursdays, mind on the mend, sitting in the quiet.
1998, a sign shows 20th Century Fox as a division of Walt Disney Company. In 2019, Walt Disney actually bought 20th Century Fox, so look at that difference, about 21 years before it even happened. At the time, it seemed like they were just joking about media monopolies, and then it came true. Well, we got our bet back. All right, I'm gonna have to scrunch this one in, guys. Number 2, smartwatches and video calling. Lisa's Wedding in 1995. I think this was in one video I did earlier. Characters use wrist devices to communicate via video. Basically, early smartwatches with FaceTime.
Oh, don't worry, honey. I guarantee your father will behave. Mom, it's a picture phone.
Devices like Apple Watch and modern video calling became everyday technology 20 years later. So, years before the smartphone even existed, everybody. All right. Let's see. Last spin to win here. Give us some queens. Last spin to win here. Nothing there, guys. Number 1. Donald Trump becomes president in 2000. Bart to the future.
As you know, we've inherited quite a budget crunch from President Trump. How bad is it, Secretary Van Houten?
We're broke.
In the episode, Lisa becomes president and mentions inheriting financial problems from President Donald Trump. Then in 2016, he actually was elected, so 16 years later. At the time, Trump was just known as a TV personality and a businessman, not even a serious political candidate. So those are the 10 predictions The Simpsons came true. I'm gonna go ask them if they can predict this game to do any better than it did this time. I'm Baby Bets. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you at the next game.